Good night. My name is Paulina Orozco de la Hoz, and I'm a student of English Does Work Level 6. My instructor is Angélica María Ramírez Díaz, and this is my video presentation for the activity My New Projects. My personal goals: start doing sports. One of my personal goals is to start practicing sports. If I develop a routine, I will feel healthier and more energetic. Also, if I work out every day, I get stronger and more disciplined. However, if I do not exercise regularly, I will feel less motivated. Um, let's observe the images. Mm, volleyball, um, athletic, skating, basketball. My social goals: travel and discover new places. I also want to travel and discover new places. If I stay alert, I get better price. If I save enough money, I will be able to travel more often. And if I travel, I will learn about different cultures and traditions. And places like Santander, el río de los siete colores, Cartagena, Santander, Santa Marta, Nuquí, Chocó, de Pacific colombiano. My academic goals: studying a postgraduate program. Academically, I want to study a postgraduate program. If I study hard, I get good grades. If I miss class, I get behind on the topic. But if I study consistently, I will become a great student. In conclusion, these goals will help me grow personally and professionally. They represent important steps toward the future I want for myself. If I achieve them, I will feel proud, confident, and motivated to continue working hard. I know it won't always be easy, but if I organize my time well and stay committed, I will accomplish everything I set out to do. With effort, discipline, and a positive mindset, I believe I can make all of my dreams come true.